Hi everyone. I was hoping to maybe just take a quick look at what I think is a bird effigy. Oh yeah, when you tilt it like this you can really see it well. This one has a lot of tool marks, ridges and ripples on it that you may be able to see there. And what we can do is line up a lot of this paint to see a lot of the art that's on here. Believe it or not, this is best looked at night. The colors and the markings really come out at night for this one. It's a really giant bird head. It's a very large depiction. This is of that shale. You can see a lot of that beautiful paint that's stuck into the corners here. Might start to see a silhouette. Or two. We can see how the open mouth is done right here with the red eye. See the middle of the eye, of course, is this black spot, and then we can see the drip coming down from the eye. And if you look closely, you can see a feather right here. He does have ornaments. It's more than just the face that you can see. He is decorated. And you know, we've seen what we have here is a burnt charcoal wooden effigy, and we've been to mounds where it's all charcoal wooden burnt things like this. You can see these weird birds that are still all wrapped up in their clay packs. And a lot of these I haven't gone through yet. Don't have time to go through them all. So there's a whole lot when you try to decipher a 300,000-year-old language. So while we're looking at this, you can see how this eye is done. See the circle for it? See how it's, you just wipe it away and then underneath it. This is fresh from the site. It represents bird heads and humans. I love the color for the paint. You can see inside of here, I'm actually pulling off sections of it already. These paintings, there's paintings of birds and humans in these little chips. It's insane, it's unfathomable. But that's what these are, they're little toys. Think about all the toys your nieces and your nephews have. It's fascinating. Well, so the first image you can see on the left, probably with a little bit of a beard. Here we can see the clay pack still for the eye in there. And we can see his hookbill nose, so it's like a bird man. Again, for the right sides, you know, you can see these ducks pointing upward with their circle eyes, perhaps. And then other silhouettes are down here at the bottom. A few classics. And really, when you put this one at the odd angles, that's when it comes out. That's when the best of the best reveals itself to us. It's fascinating. Fascinating stuff. So, yeah, we've seen wooden effigy mounds. We've seen stone mounds, crystal mounds. We've seen creeks and canals that are completely built by the ancient people. And now we've seen these clay shale artifacts. It's insane. It's really not that crazy when you think about it. They were only here a couple hundred years ago. Just a few hundred years.